Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. Let us discuss various methods of doing observation. One method is participant method and another one is non-participant. What is participant observation? Here the observer or the researcher becomes the member of the group he wants to observe, and he gets involved in the group. See, he has to make a rapport with the group first because that researcher is very new to the group. So the researcher goes and makes a rapport with the group. He gets involved in the activities, day to day activities of the group, and then he observes them while getting involved in the activity himself. So giving an example, if a researcher wants to study the culture or maybe the daily living activities of a particular tribe in a rural area, so what the researcher will do, he will go and make a rapport with the people of that tribe. He will stay there for few days in that particular area. He will try to get involved with the people. He has to also try to communicate with the people. So it is better that the researcher knows the language of the particular group he is observing, and then while being mingling in the group, he has to observe the activities of the group. That is participant observation. Non-participant observation is very different. Here the researcher does not have to really get involved with the group. He can observe the group from outside, or maybe suppose here the researcher is observing classroom activity, the researcher can also install a camera to record that activity. The participants may not know that they are being observed. So here the behavior of the participants is very natural because they are not at all conscious that they are being observed. But in case of participant observation, the behavior may get modified because they know that particular researcher who has joined the group is observing them and researching on them. So these are some differences in participant and non-participant observation. Thanks for watching.